In this podcast, we're going to solve a word problem using inequalities. So the word problem is, the cost to bake one cookie is 10 cents. You are selling cookies at a bake sale for 50 cents each. Suppose your goal is to raise at least $50. How many cookies must you sell? So we know our final goal is $50. And we know that we have our cost to sell the cookies and the cost to bake a cookie. So we're going to have our selling cost, and then we're going to have times the number of cookies we sell, which we'll call X, minus our baking cost times the number of cookies we bake, which will also be X. And we know that since we want to raise at least $50, that means it's greater than or equal to. So now if we plug in our numbers, our selling cost is 50 cents, which is 0.5 as a decimal, X, and then subtract our baking cost, which we know is 10 cents, which is 0.1 as a decimal, times X, which is greater than or equal to 50. So then we can start to solve for X. So 0.5X minus 0.1X is 0.4X, and that'll be greater than 50. Then we write 0.4X as a fraction. We can do 0.4 equals 4/10, which also simplifies to 2/5. So we can rewrite this as 2/5 X is greater than or equal to 50. Then we can multiply by our reciprocal. So it's 5/2. If you multiply 50 by 5/2, the 2 can cancel with the 50 and give us 25. So then we have X is greater than or equal to 25 times 5, or X is greater than or equal to 125. So 125 cookies need to be sold so that we can raise at least $50.